Hello everyone, welcome to Wealth Wizards. Today we're here with a special treat for all of you who have been dreaming of escaping the daily 9-to-5 grind. In this video, we are going to explore 5 incredible ways that can help you generate passive income and unlock your financial freedom. These methods are not just simple to get started with, but are also light on the pocket, making them perfect for anyone, even those on a tight budget. And the best part? These methods have the potential to grow into substantial income sources over time. So if you're ready to take the first step towards your financial freedom and want to discover the secrets of passive income, then stick around as we dive into these game-changing ideas. Let's get started. Our first passive income business idea is content creation, with YouTube being a prime platform for creators. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not a video expert. Don't worry, you don't have to be. Let's break down the process. First, select a niche that interests you. Are you passionate about finance, fitness, or perhaps cooking? Choosing a niche you love will fuel your creativity and make the process enjoyable. Now, let's move on to content creation. This might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. With tools like ChatGPT and artificial intelligence that can help craft your scripts, content creation becomes a breeze. This tool can help you generate engaging content that your audience will love. Next, you'll want to focus on optimizing your videos and channel. This is where resources like VidIQ come into play. VidIQ can help you understand your audience, optimize your video metadata, and track your growth. It's like having a personal YouTube coach. To make your videos visually appealing, consider using resources like Pixabay and Pexels. These platforms offer a plethora of free images and videos that you can use to enhance your content. When you think of successful YouTube creators, names like Mr. Beast might come to mind. But remember, every successful content creator started from scratch. Mr. Beast's journey to success wasn't overnight. He consistently created content, learned from his mistakes, and improved his craft. And today, he's one of the biggest names on the platform. If you're looking for more in-depth guidance, I recommend the Tube Mastery and Monetization course by Matt Parr. He runs over 12 profitable YouTube channels and makes 7 figures from them. His course could provide the essential guidance to kickstart your YouTube journey. With dedication and creativity, you too can build a successful YouTube channel and earn passive income. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today. Start your YouTube channel, create engaging content, and watch as your passive income begins to grow. The second passive income business idea we're exploring is affiliate marketing. Now you might be wondering, what is affiliate marketing? Well, think of it as being a commission-based salesperson in the digital world. You promote a product or service on your platform, and when someone makes a purchase using your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic source of passive income because once you've set up your promotional content, it can continue to generate sales without any additional work. It's like planting a seed today and reaping the fruits tomorrow and the day after and the day after that. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it requires virtually no money to start. You don't need a product or service of your own. All you need is a platform to promote the affiliate products. Pinterest, with its visually appealing pins and boards, is a beginner-friendly platform for affiliates. It's an excellent place to start, especially if you're passionate about a particular niche, be it fashion, home decor, fitness, or technology. As you gain confidence and build an audience, you can leverage other platforms like YouTube to promote your affiliate links. Imagine having a YouTube channel where you review tech gadgets or makeup products, and then you provide your affiliate links in the description box. To give you an idea of the potential earnings, let's do a quick calculation. Assume you're promoting a product that costs $100 and you earn a 10% commission on each sale. If you make just 10 sales a day, that's a daily income of $100. Multiply that by 30 and you're looking at a monthly income of $3,000. And that's just for one product. However, it's important to remember that success in affiliate marketing doesn't come overnight. It requires consistency, patience, and a solid understanding of your audience's needs and interests. Affiliate marketing is a low-cost way of generating passive income that anyone can try. So why not give it a shot? You might just find it to be the key that unlocks your financial freedom. Our third passive income business idea involves creating digital products with the help of AI and selling them online. Now, we're not talking about coding complicated software or designing intricate graphics. With the right tools, you can easily whip up a valuable digital product. Imagine creating an ebook, journal, or planner. You might be wondering, But I'm not a writer or a designer. Well, that's where AI comes in. ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI, can assist you in generating content. It's like having a personal writer at your fingertips, helping you craft your ebook seamlessly. For design, platforms like Canva come to the rescue. Canva is an online design tool that's user-friendly even for those who consider themselves design-challenged. You can create a stunning journal or planner cover and even design the inner pages. Once your product is ready, it's time to sell. Amazon and Shopify are excellent platforms for this. With millions of users worldwide, your potential customer base is enormous. Now, let's talk numbers. Let's say you price your ebook at $20. If you manage to sell 50 copies a month, that's $1,000 of passive income. And remember, once your ebook is out there, it can continue to generate revenue without any additional work from you. The process is straightforward. First, decide on a topic you're passionate about or one that's in demand. Second, use ChatGPT to help you write the content. Third, design your product using Canva. Fourth, upload it on Amazon or Shopify and set your price. Finally, advertise your product. You can use social media, your own website, or even YouTube. Remember, the key here is to create value. The more valuable your product, the more customers you'll attract, and the more passive income you'll generate. Creating and selling digital products is a fantastic way to make passive income, leveraging AI to simplify the process. It's a venture worth trying with potential returns that could significantly boost your financial freedom. The fourth passive income business idea is investing. Now, investing can seem daunting at first glance, but it's essentially about making your money work for you. There's a wide range of options, from stocks and bonds to mutual funds, real estate, and even cryptocurrency. And the best part, the potential for making money is significant. So how can you get started? First, you need to do your homework. Understand the basics of investing, such as the different types of investments, risk tolerance, and the importance of diversification. There are plenty of free resources online to help you with this. Next, you need to set your financial goals. Are you investing for long-term growth, or do you need short-term gains? Your goals will help determine your investment strategy. Then, you need to choose the right investment platform. There are numerous online platforms and apps that make investing straightforward and accessible for beginners. Some platforms even offer robo-advisors to help you make informed investment decisions. Finally, start small. You don't need a fortune to start investing. Even a small amount can grow substantially over time thanks to the power of compound interest. Remember, investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and a well-thought-out strategy. But with time and consistency, it can become a significant source of passive income. Investing is a tried-and-true method for making passive income, and it's easier to get started than you might think. Our final passive income business idea is real estate. Venturing into real estate can be a game-changer for your financial future. One of the most popular ways to generate passive income in this sector is through rental properties. You might be thinking, but how does it work? It's quite simple. You purchase a property and rent it out. The rent you collect can cover the costs of mortgage, taxes, insurance, and maintenance while also providing a profit. Let's crunch some numbers to illustrate. Imagine you own a property that you rent out for $1,000 per month. After covering all expenses, let's say you're left with $200. That's a neat $2,400 of passive income per year from just one property. Multiply this by owning several properties, and you can see how lucrative this can be. Real estate is a solid investment that can provide a steady stream of passive income. So, there you have it, 5 exciting passive income business ideas. From creating content on YouTube, leveraging the power of affiliate marketing, to investing in real estate, these ventures could change your financial future. Don't forget, tools like AI and platforms like Amazon and Shopify can help you create and sell digital products. The possibilities are endless. Remember, the first step towards financial freedom is taking action. So why wait? Start your passive income journey today.